Okay, so I was just out in the rain walking the dog, so I'm a little bit wet, but I wanted to show you this guitar. I bought this body on eBay for $100 from China. It was it's brand new, and it's got this sort of shifting purpley navy blue metallic finish, which I thought was kind of cool. And for a low cost like that, I couldn't resist trying it out. And it's, it appeared to be alder. It's very lightweight. It's one of the lighter guitars I have. It's incredibly resonant. I slapped on this Mighty Mite 70s style headstock neck. It's 22 frets, so it's not vintage style. And it's got the truss rod adjustment at the headstock there. I put 2 string tree retainers in there for some reason. And, those sort of medium sized frets. I think the neck was $125. And then found this vintage style Fender bridge on eBay. I think it came from a 50s style Japanese guitar. And then full-size pots, volume and tone, with a blender. So you turn this down and it adds the neck. So if you're on the bridge selector, you turn this down, then the neck comes in, and so you got kind of like a Telecaster style. Fender pickguard, pretty certain. Pickups from US Tone Works. I don't know anything about them, but they were $50 for all 3. It was less. It was $45, I think, at the time. And then the last thing, the neck plate came from Deco Boom. It's a little mid-century rocket ship, George Jetson type of thing. I don't know if you can see it there. Anyway, great guitar. So I think it's all came in under $500, and sounds good. It's like Jimmy Page stuff. That's the bridge. You know I'm not doing AI because I make mistakes all the time. Yeah, so those pickups were they're made to resemble Seymour Duncan, and Seymour Duncan worked on Jimi Hendrix pickups, Eric Clapton, Jeff Beck, probably a ton of other people, including like maybe Kurt Cobain, I think. But I trust Seymour Duncan's products if he's got that kind of stuff. And this isn't even Seymour, this is like a copy. But sometimes when you're on a budget, you got to go for what works for the money, you know. Anyway, cheap guitar, play blues.